Do you remember back in the day when you wanted to clean your Firestick up, you used to have to go across to settings and then across to applications and then go into manage installed applications. And once you was in there, you'd have to go into each app and then go down to clear cache and then go back and then move on to the next app and again go into it and then go to clear cache and so on. And then things got a little bit easier because all you had to do was highlight each app and then press the rewind button on your remote and that would clear the cache. It made things a heck of a lot simpler because you just keep going down and as you select each app, you just press the rewind button and that would clear the cache. Well, now Amazon have made things even easier for us. Thankfully, all we need to do is we just go across to the settings cog up there on the screen, and then we go across to applications. And you may have noticed this already. There is underneath manage installed applications, clear all application caches. And we can highlight that middle button on the remote control. And there we go. It says, are you sure you want to delete the caches of all installed applications? Deleting on mine will free up 457 megabytes. So that's quite an amount in one hit. Are you sure you want to continue? Well, you can either confirm or cancel. I'm going to confirm this. Clearing caches shouldn't delete any usable data or any good data, should I say, on your Firestick. It's just clearing up all the temporary files on the Firestick. It won't lose you any logins. It won't lose any settings that you've got in your apps. It's just stuff that really is sort of left behind, temporary files it's going to clear up, in the hope that hopefully it'll clear you a bit of space on your Firestick and hopefully speed up your Firestick a little bit too. So I'm going to click on confirm and that should have gone through and it should have cleared the cache on all of my apps. So if I just go into 3D Mark there, I can see I've only got a tiny cache in there. I've got 24.58, 16.38. So there is still a little bit of cache on there. You can't clear everything off the cache, but hopefully it should reduce it. And let's just see, I mean, if I go into clear all application caches again, and there you go, now it's saying that it'll clear up 18.81 megabytes, quite a lot less than the 457 gigabytes that were on there before. But like I say, there is no way that you can clear absolutely everything. There's always residual files that sit there that can't be deleted. So don't worry if it doesn't clear everything, but hopefully this should clear a lot of space. So what version of Fire OS is this on? Well, I'm running the 4K Max second generation, so I am running Fire OS 8.1.5.5, which I believe is the latest version on that particular Firestick. If you've got a different Fire OS, i.e. Fire OS 7, then please let us know if you've got that particular function in applications to clear all application caches on yours too. Let us know in the comments down below. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, consider hitting that thanks button and making a donation to this channel. Or if you can't do that, then have a look in the description down below. We've got some great links down there for you to various things, including my Amazon shop, which contains all the things I love at the moment on Amazon, Fire TV sticks, Fire TV cubes, and VPNs. Buying, subscribing, and donating really does help support this channel. It helps me to be able to dedicate more time to spend researching to bring you these great videos. And whilst you're at my YouTube channel, why not stick around? I've got thousands of other videos for you right here, right now, covering all sorts of subjects. Hopefully whilst you're here, you're going to find something to educate you, entertain you, amuse you, and maybe even save you some time and money. And if you do see any videos that you think your friends, your family or your work colleagues might like to see, then please don't forget to share these videos on your social media timelines. You can check me out on X, I'm at CWTEK. You can also check out my website, it's cwtek.co.uk. Thanks for watching and speak to you again soon.